welcome back to our channel. Today, we are wrapping my dad's Father's Day presents.
When is Father's Day?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We leave things to the last minute, but hey, we'll get... Okay, so let's go over what we're getting. But let's not talk too loud because he's just in his bedroom watching the football. So, okay, so the main present we got him is a new laptop. He's been wanting one for a long time. The one he's got is so old. We've been together probably 12 years now. He had that laptop before we even met.
You've been together 10 years.
We've been
married.
You're 10.
Married. 10 years.
We've been together for about 12 years.
You've been married for 10 years.
We have been married for 10 years, but we've been together a lot longer than that. So that's his main present. Then we got this reading laptop table, so he can sit on his the lounge chair and just have the laptop on his lap. And of course, we'll just move those to the side. We will wrap them. So we've got him a laptop bag too. Then one of the other things we got him is a backpack. Now when we go away, especially when we went to Sydney recently, he doesn't have a backpack.
So he always uses my space backpack.
He uses Lindsay's space backpack because it's a boyish the more boyish backpack we have. So we got him his own backpack, so he has one now whenever we go away. We got in here. Some of this stuff is not for him. We got him some chocolate bullets.
Is this for him?
Yes. So I got him a raincoat. Now we have had over the last probably 4 or 5 years since pretty much since we lived here. When we bought this house in 2016. We have massive flooding down the side of the house, and it's pretty much, we think, fixed now after pipes and drains and who knows what else has gone down there. But he has a really old jacket, so I got him a new one. So hopefully that'll help. There's nothing else in there today.
Oh, I need to have the Father's Day present.
It's here.
Oh.
Okay, so you can explain what that stuff is.
Okay, so I went to the Father's Day store on Monday before I went to camp.
Which was at school?
Yeah. And I got him a couple things. I had $17 and I had $2 left over. I got him this mug because every morning he has a coffee cup for breakfast.
He likes his coffee.
There's 2 cups that I got him that I think he really likes. It's one's but they were both from the Father's Day store. One said Super Duper Dad and one said You're a one in a Million. That one was for his birthday though, so.
Yeah, he does love that one, doesn't he?
Yeah, and then this time I got him one that said Best Dad Ever. I don't want him to hear.
Ooh, Batman soap on a rope.
I got him Batman soap because he's been obsessed with Batman ever since we went to Movie World.
Yeah, he likes the Batman, right?
And then I got this chalkboard so in the morning before Father's Day, I can write Happy Father's Day.
Cool. Alright, that's it.
I thought I got him way more than that.
We didn't get, well, we kind of gave him an early present a little while ago.
A lot
so
of
we got him
presents.
a couple of t-shirts and some shorts and
a card that I personally made and I accidentally gave it to him too early.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter. He still has it and he loved it.
And this one also was given him too early and was recent.
I can't remember. So he's had a few Father's Day presents early, but let's get these ones. This one he's going to be really excited about, especially because he's been wanting this for a long time. All right, let's get wrapping.
He's going to be so happy with this.
He will.
I hope he's more happy about this than the laptop. Because that was my choice.
You knew he wanted a laptop though, anyway.
Sure.
Okay, so what are we going to wrap in what?
I'm going to wrap this one first.
In what? In which wrapping paper?
So
here's the problem. I saw the Father's Day wrapping paper at Aldi, and I was going to
pick
pick it up, and then I forgot. So now there's none left. So we have blue koalas, and we have rainbow. I don't think he's going to care. So let's just get all this wrapped up.
Okay,
What do you want to start with?
I'm going to choose what I wrap, and you wrap the rest. I'm going to wrap this, the laptop, and that's it. I'll wrap those 3.
we've finished wrapping. Lucy's made her frame.
Says Happy Father's Day. And I put hearts all around it.
Yeah.
And a exclamation mark.
Cool.
And an outline. Right. Bottom.
Okay. We've got all the presents wrapped.
Now all we have to do is write my dad's name on them.
I think you'll know they're for him. I don't think you need to worry about it.
But I love doing it.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to head to bed now. And Lucy will wake Daddy up in the morning and give him his presents.
I love waking people up.
Sadly, Andy has to work tomorrow, so we only have the morning together, which is a bit disappointing. But Lucy's going to make breakfast, aren't you, Lucy? He's requested bacon and egg rolls for breakfast. Lucy's going to cook them. So we're going to have a beautiful morning together before he goes to work. It's just like, sadly, that's life, isn't it, Lucy? And then Lucy and I will probably just chill for the day. But we got a Girl Guide camp coming next week. So, and I've been asked to go with them. So we have 2 bags to pack for the next camp. Oh my goodness. So we might even get stuck into that tomorrow afternoon while Andy's at work. Okay, we're going to leave it there for tonight. We'll see you tomorrow bright and early. Bye.
Oh, that's beautiful, Lucy. A little plaque, a little chalkboard. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, and you're
Very
opening
good.
these 2 last.
Okay, do you want to put that on the mantle, please? Now we've got a mantle. Lovely. I feel like I've been spoiled already. I haven't opened anything.
This one's kind of unwrapped a little bit.
That's
I wrapped it.
I reckon. Shall I guess? It's a mug.
Oh, dang it! How do you know?
I can just feel the weight. What are you so upset for?
I didn't want you to know.
Mug. We just got rid of a heap of mugs.
I get from Father's Day store.
Oh, cool. Oh, it's cool. Best dad ever. It's a funny day, eh?
That's idea. I thought that was a B.
Well, it'd be best bad ever. That would make sense.
Still.
Oh, another Father's Day present. Do you want me to guess this one?
No.
Well, I won't be able to.
You won't be able to that one.
That one's a have one. Is it?
Don't know. Oh, a backpack. It's like Poppy's backpack, eh?
That's a nice thing.
Now you
Very
have your
good.
own one.
Cool.
Or a Lucy Space one anymore.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you. Very useful.
Next is this one. Ooh, I think you're gonna like that one.
Ollies.
How do you know?
I can feel it. It's
Yeah, the rainbow first.
mixed lollies or maybe jelly beans. Maybe
Can I
black
give you an
jelly.
idea of what we get these the other day?
Bullets. Cool. I was close. Liquid.
Oh, Ori goes, I'll have some of that. Thank you very much.
Have licorice with chocolate on it. What kind of licorice anyway? Because it's probably for your pants.
Ori, other way, darling. Ori.
Oh, wow, that's heavy.
It's a really heavy one.
It is, isn't it?
I said we were gonna get lots, but that one has something to do with it, so.
Ori. Give him a way, buddy. Come on.
That's brilliant because I need a new computer. My computer is 13 years old. Mind you, it lasted longer than the other one I bought. So.
Yeah.
It's still going.
Your laptop.
Yeah, new laptop.
Alright, now give me one.
I'll give you this one first.
This one? Okay.
Is that heavy too?
Yes. Really heavy. Heavier than the laptop was.
You reckon?
Well, probably not. It's just a lot longer, so it's harder to carry.
A little desk.
Well, your laptop.
Oh, so I can have a desk out here and pop that across there and stick my laptop on there. Very good thinking.
And
Good old
Daddy.
Kmart, eh?
No, that was Office Works.
Oh, office work. Good old office work.
Daddy. As soon as we bought that laptop, I had an idea.
Did you?
This one. My idea was this one. As soon as we bought the laptop, I came up with this
Must
idea.
be a laptop cover.
Yeah.
Ah, dear.
She's done well. Hey.
Hopefully it gets in there.
Yep, I'm sure it will. Thank you, ladies. That was lovely. Thank you, Ori. That's great. I'm very pleased. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, beautiful Angie. Thank you, Ori.
Breakfast time. You ready to cook, are you?
Oh, Lucy's going to cook breakfast.
She's going to cook your breakfast.
Oh.
Coffee time for my daddy, daddy, daddy. For my daddy, 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 daddy. Coffee time. But is it all?
Oh, no, but your cup's full, honey.
Daddy, I overfilled it.
No, that's alright. You can carry it. Oh, you want me to carry it, do you?
I'll do it. I'll come.
It overfilled.
It's alright. What are you? It's okay. Thank you. Thank you, Lucy.
I made it. Yummy?
High five. Well done.
Proud of yourself?
Yeah. Is that not good? There we go. Well, that one starts cooking late. This one?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Straight up.
It's not hot. You actually can use the egg.
For what? Daddy, you might have kind of a crazy egg.
Right, definitely.
That exploded. I'm going to cut them all in half and then I'm going to butter them.
So for some reason I lost sound on this part of the video, but just to let you know that Lucy did try to make her dad his breakfast independently. I love how she used the tongs to help the egg go onto the egg flip. That's so funny. Bit of salt and pepper, and then she was so excited to give it to her dad. So excited that she made it all by herself with just a little bit of help from Mum. So she's getting more and more confident in the kitchen. I mean, she loves baking, anything to do with cooking, baking and stuff. But when it comes to meal preparation, she's not so confident. And she was able to do this for her dad. And she was so proud of herself.
Hey guys, good morning.
Hello.
Happy Father's Day to our amazing father and family. And we are just up at a local park to go on a bushwalk.
Can you guess who we have with us?
Who do we have with us?
Scenario!
Scenario without his jumper. So we're going to head off on a bushwalk.
Where are you going?
And we hope to see a beautiful waterfall while we're down there. So let's go.
Lucy leading the way.
He's not coping with the short lead, is he?
I've got used to it. It's been that long. I don't want it a long lead because it's going in there and get tickled.
Yeah, well, that's right, exactly. I don't think I'll get over there.
Hey?
I don't think I'll get over to where the waterfall is. I don't know.
There's a big tree that's fallen. Well, that's where we'll go. Yeah, that's one of the
Yeah. And place there, hey? And place there.
Hey, that looks green.
Comes down here.
There's a hole.
So peaceful the sound, isn't it?
Amazing to turn in the weather, eh?
Oh yeah. Where was this yesterday morning when Luca was playing soccer?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
This dog's off lead.
No, I don't freak out a lot of dogs.
He's been attacked too many times.
Fair enough. That's cool. That's okay. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
What if one was on the lead and not the other one?
I'm constantly picking that.
Huh?
Constantly picking that.
Okay, well, choke yourself, buddy.
Good girl, Lucy.
Hi-yo. Hello.
I was riding the bike a couple of minutes ago.
Oh, yeah, he's running. He's doing a triathlon. We'll go down to see the waterfall. But you can see it. We're getting closer. Yeah, keep on there. A beautiful waterfall. I don't know what the name is. Maybe it's called Cilento Waterfall. I'm not really sure.
I thought it was supposed to be.
No. Two beautiful waterfalls we have here. Absolutely good. We were standing up close to where that guy is when we were up the top. And down the bottom. A lot of people do actually swim in here. I wouldn't. It looks pretty dirty, but people do swim in here.
I see that green rock before.
Yeah. So it's quite beautiful and serene around here. Okay, let's keep walking. Another one, really? Oh, you want to go back?
You want to go this way? No, we'll go back.
We can go around the outside. Pull over, alright. So muddy. We've had a lot of rain lately. Where's it? Whack! Whoa! We're going back?
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
We're nearly there.
Yeah, but we can go
Just be very careful, Luce. Can you walk around at any point? Walk on that wooden stick. It's alright, it's not in the mud though. Get your balancing skills going, hey? Right, you alright? Just slowly, don't jump, just step. Lucy, just step down slowly. That's it.
Yeah, secret little path has been discovered by a bunch of people, eh?
Oh, I know. It's no longer an unseen trip, is it? Right. Well, I guess you have to share things, don't you? It's a beautiful extension of the two waterfalls. Come down here. It's a little brick path for you to walk across, and it just continues all the way down there. Just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful canopy above us. You can get dizzy turning around. Okay, at the top of the hill, I'm completely out of breath. How are you going?
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad, what are you doing?
Yep.
Yep. Actually, we might finish the video here, getting off to work soon.